take this wheel off and I'll show you guys the work somebody did. All right, we're up pretty high. I have the jack stands there and there. This one's up higher than that one purposely because I'll be working on this side, but I want to show you all factory muffler. Yesterday I shot some penetrant there because these try to act stubborn coming off. So you just gotta worry about it here. I'll spray some more there. And you guys, if you all can see, someone welded that together. So no bolts. I'm gonna have to cut that out because the new muffler comes with this whole section. So I lubed this up yesterday as well with some penetrant. We're gonna spray some penetrant there, and on this other hanger here. And I did all that yesterday. And then we're gonna pop it off. So the first thing I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna cut this muffler off. I'm gonna cut it off right here. And then remove it from the hangers. Incredible. Just gonna spray it in there on both sides. All right, I'm gonna do the other one, and then we're just gonna wait. The next thing I'll do, I'm just gonna slice this right here. I'll show you guys a couple tools you can use just to cut this. You can use the hacksaw. And the only reason I'm cutting it because the bolts are not there. If the bolts were there, and they were, even if the bolts were seized on, I'll cut the bolts and just take it off from there. But since they welded this together, just gonna slice it right here so I can have access to get this off. All right, one thing I want to do is make sure that this is the correct part before I cut that off. And the shape may be a little different. As long as these braces align up with those bushings, we should be all good. So the tailpipe section is 13.5 inches. If you go into here, probably pretty much the same thing. A little longer, 14.5. So, however, we do have these longer mounting brackets or mounting braces, so we can move it back and forth if we want. But overall, yeah, it's gonna fit no matter what. Maybe about an inch short there. It's gonna fit fine. I'm gonna use this to cut, just to make this quick, because sometimes these be a pain to come out of here. I'll just slice it here, slice it there, or I'll just wait. I'll see if I can get them out first. But we're gonna definitely cut the muffler in that vicinity somewhere. I'll probably use this to get it started. If you don't have one of these angle grinders with a cutoff wheel on it, you can use just a regular hacksaw. That's it. That's all you can use. Just one of those. I got the flap disc because I gotta grind those wheels down, those tack wheels that they got to hold in place. So you don't need this at all. Yours shouldn't be welded. Or I'm probably gonna use this for more accurate cut. This thing's a beast. Or you can just use a regular sawzall, just a regular sawzall to cut it. All right, so mount the camera. Show you how quickly we're gonna take this off. Thing's completely hollow. Nothing in it. All right, I finally got those wheels removed. We're all good now. Wheel bearing grease. This seems to be really good, so I'll use this for that. This also gonna prevent that rust from forming inside that rubber bushing. All right, let's hang the muffler really quick. Gonna go with this. These are size 3/8 inch grade A bolts, stainless steel nut, and has the ridges to keep it from coming loose. So this is what we're gonna use. These are 1 inch, 1.5 inch grade A bolts. So we're gonna go with this. We got plenty of room here. All right, let's hang this up. All right, I'm gonna tighten this up now. And we should be all good. All right, we're done. When I tighten it up, you put the tailpipe directly where it needs to be at. And even here, everything is all good. All good. Now what's left is just to start up and see what we get. Let's see if her car is quiet. She is looking forward to this moment. Although she's extremely happy that she got the car. And this is cool too. So we don't have to worry about rust forming inside these bushings anymore. All right, let's start her car up and see how it sounds. All right, we're gonna do it all in one motion. Got the light under there for leaks. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Big difference already. Already. Nothing. Already. Nothing out of here. You don't even hear it. Super quiet. Let's rev it. Nothing. Oh wow. All right, let me remove the jack stands, put the wheel back on. I'll be back for a test ride. She's gonna be so excited for this. All right, guys, it's a wrap. Super quiet now, or as quiet as it's supposed to be. That's how it's supposed to run. That sound. You hear nothing. The next I'll be doing is fixing that fender. So she's quiet now. All right. Hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Terrence and I'm out.